The stock market's soaring high, but is it flying too close to the sun? Overvaluation is the buzzword ringing alarm bells among investors right now. Imagine buying water in a desert. Essential, but at what cost? That's how overvalued stocks feel today. Visual: comparison of current market indices with historical data. So, what's happening? Companies look more expensive than ever compared to their earnings. The PE ratios are through the roof, like a skyscraper with no foundation. It's not just tech giants, this is everywhere. It's like everyone's building castles on clouds. But here's the twist. A market crash isn't just a pitfall, it's an opportunity. Think of it as the world's largest clearance sale. What if I told you there are ways to prepare and even profit? Like a surfer catching the perfect wave, strategic moves now could lead to gains when the market sweeps down. Visual: image of a surfer riding a wave. Coming up, we'll explore ways to recognize signs of a bubble burst. And get this, there's a strategy that's the opposite of what most people do. Stay with me as we uncover how to not just survive, but thrive in financial turmoil. Let's decode the signs. Rapid stock price growth without corresponding revenue increases? That's one red flag. Like seeing balloons rise higher and higher without adding air. Inevitable, they pop. Watching corporate debt levels is crucial too. Companies drowning in debt might falter when the economy stutters. Visual: graphs showing rising stock prices and static revenues. Now here's where the strategy kicks in. Think contrarian. Buy low, sell high sounds simple, but in a crash, when fear dominates, great stocks are sold cheap. It's like buying treasure from a shipwreck. Warren Buffett's famous line, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful," has never rung truer. Visual: clip of waves crashing against cliffs. Diversify to balance risk. Spread your investments beyond stocks. Gold, real estate, or bonds can be safe havens. They're life vests when the stock ship takes on water. Also, consider options trading. With puts, you're betting against the market's rise, and when everything falls, your portfolio goes up. Visual: stocks scattered with symbols of gold, real estate, bonds. And here's a thought. Cash is power. It's not wasted sitting idle. It's your arsenal for seizing undervalued stocks post-crash. So prepare now to pivot when the tides turn. Breaking the norm isn't easy, but with the right moves, you can weather any storm. Imagine the market as a roller coaster. The dips bring the thrill, but only if you're strapped in securely. Cash reserves are your safety harness. Maintaining liquidity gives you the freedom to act quickly without scrambling for funds. It's all about being ready to strike when opportunity knocks. Visual: roller coaster looping with a focus on secure riders. Emotions can cloud judgment. Fear and panic sell during downturns. But if you can keep a cool head, you're already one step ahead. History shows markets rebound stronger. Think of it as nature's course correction. Holding on through the chaos can yield remarkable returns as recovery takes flight. Visual: sun emerging after a storm. Consider automating part of your strategy. Preset buy orders for stocks you believe in, at prices you deem valuable. It's like setting a fish trap, invisible but ready to catch the best. This way, you're not swayed by day-to-day volatility and can maintain focus on long-term gains. Visual: a fisherman setting traps in a serene lake. Finally, knowledge is your greatest asset. Stay informed, but be wary of noise. Sift through headlines, focus on data, and lean on trusted analyses. It's navigating the financial labyrinth like a seasoned explorer. With foresight and the right tools, you won't just survive, you'll thrive as a market maestro. Let's talk about diversification through asset allocation, a boring term with exciting implications. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you've got a balanced buffet, not a one-dish meal. Stocks, bonds, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, each plays a role. They're the strings on your economic parachute, ensuring a gentle landing, no matter how hard the wind blows. Visual: diverse investment portfolio with icons for each asset class. Cryptocurrencies, while volatile, offer a fresh frontier. They're untethered from traditional market forces, often behaving inversely to standard stocks. Think of them as your wild card, not your main hand, but capable of turning the game if played wisely. Visual, roller coaster loop transitioning to a blockchain network. Let's not forget real estate. It's tangible, it's there, like owning a piece of the world. In turbulent times, property can be a sturdy ship. Whether renting out space or flipping houses, real estate often holds value even when financial markets tumble. It's the slow and steady tortoise in the race. Visual, real estate properties juxtaposed with stock market graphs. Remember to review and recalibrate your strategy regularly. The financial landscape shifts like desert sands, and adaptability is key. A portfolio you set up today may not suit tomorrow's economy. Stay agile, stay informed, and most importantly, keep your eyes on the horizon. Financial storms may come, but with preparation and insight, you can sail through unscathed. And here's an often underestimated ally: dividend stocks. While the market swings like a pendulum, dividend-paying companies can provide consistent returns. They're like the reliable friend who still shows up, rain or shine. Even if stock prices drop, those quarterly payments cushion the fall, offering a lifeline until the market stabilizes. Visual, money flowing steadily in the form of dividends. Then there's the topic of strategic patience. Sometimes the best move is to pause. It's a waiting game where patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategy. Remember, not every moment demands action. Sitting tight as everyone else scrambles can be more beneficial than constant repositioning. Visual, person sitting calmly in a busy stock exchange. In parallel, risk management acts as your safety net. Have clear, set stop-loss orders. It's your pre-arranged escape hatch in case the market acts against your expectations. Likewise, establishing profit targets lets you wisely lock gains. It's like setting a destination before embarking on a journey. Visual, compass and map, guiding through a wilderness. Lastly, connect with community wisdom. Forums, think tanks, and investor meetups are treasure troves of insights and ideas. Engaging directly with other enthusiasts offers perspectives you might overlook on your own. Many minds united can outsmart even the most erratic market conditions. So don't just weather the storm. Use these tools to thrive amid uncertainty. So, to wrap things up, the market's moments of frenzy aren't things to fear, but opportunities to seize. With the right strategies, diversification, patience, and community insights, you can navigate even the most volatile waters successfully. If you found these insights valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By staying connected, you won't miss any future strategies that could enhance your financial journey. Remember, while market storms may be unpredictable, your preparedness is within your control. Keep learning, stay informed, and you'll be ready for whatever comes next. See you in the next video.